So, hi, if you're watching this video, it means you didn't get one or both of the questions correct on today's warm-up. So we're going to take a look, and I'm going to help you figure out how to answer questions like this. So these two questions actually came from our geography test at the very beginning of the year, and they both have to do with the 5 themes of geography. So you're going to have to remember what the 5 themes of geography were. So as always, before we even read the passage, we're going to read the question. The passage serves primarily as an example of which theme of geography. Now, there's 5 themes of geography, and there's only 4 answer choices. So let's go down and actually look at our answer choices so we know what one we're going to be kind of looking for, what we're not going to be looking for. So our choices are location, HEI, movement, and region. What's missing here is place. So place is what's it like when we get there, so we don't have to worry about that. Location could be either absolute or relative. HEI is, remember, is human, environment, and action. Movement has to do with the movement of people, places, and ideas. People, goods, and ideas, excuse me. And then region is where it is in the world. What does it have in common with other places? Okay, so in 1967, Cancun was a small, swampy island on Mexico's Caribbean coast. So that could be region. It had white sand beaches, many birds, and mangrove trees, but few people. After it was selected as a resort site, it was quickly transformed. Today, Cancun has more than 100 hotels and 500,000 permanent residents. Many work in the tourist industry that serves millions of visitors who come from all over the world. Now, this does sound like place, but place isn't one of our options. Okay, we can eliminate movement right off the bat because I don't see any talk about movement of people, goods, or ideas. Region, as I said, it could be region, but it talks about it had very few people in the beginning, and after it was a resort, it has more than 500,000 permanent residents. It was transformed by people. So I'm going to go with HEI. Remember, HEI is human environment interaction. All right, our second question, which was one of the worst scoring questions on this test, has to also do with 5 themes. And again, what one is missing is place again. Libya's coastline is the longest of any African country bordering the Mediterranean. So I don't see any HEI. I don't see any movement. So it's between region and location. Okay, location, absolute location. I don't see any map coordinates. Relative location. What is it relative near to? Libya's coastline is the longest of any African country bordering the Mediterranean. So it's bordering the Mediterranean, but it doesn't give me any more information than that. So an African country bordering the Mediterranean, the area in the Mediterranean would tell me it's North Africa. Huh. Region. See how we did. Yes. 2 out of 2. Good job.